Hey everybody, Josh Deaton and Jeff Gassar with Sideways Barbecue. I hope you're having an amazing day today. It is a Tuesday, so today we have, of course, we have our beef dino ribs, which everybody comes in to eat on a Tuesday, and we sell out very fast. So if you haven't gotten in here yet, you better get in here and come try some of these things. But today, we're gonna do a video. So I did a video the other day on just a fried beef rib, and it was actually very, very good. So we took a regular beef rib that we sell here. We smoked it for 7-8 hours, and then we just fried it. We stuck it right in the fryer, and then took it off and tried it, and it was really, really good. It was surprisingly tasted like bacon, but I still lean towards, and Jeff, even I, both of us said the same thing. We lean towards the regular beef rib instead of the fried one. But I've had a lot of suggestions on our Facebook feeds, on our YouTube channel, that we should batter them. So today we're gonna go ahead and do just that. We're gonna go ahead and batter and fry a beef rib, and I'll let you know if it's better. We're gonna go ahead and say it's better than the regular one. But I can tell you this: the other fried rib was really, really good. It's good for a change up. You know, sometimes it's good to change some things up, and I like that. So, but I couldn't eat it every day. But I could eat our regular beef rib every day for every single meal. And
breakfast, lunch, and dinner.
Breakfast, lunch, and dinner. I'll put it on whatever. I mean, that stuff is so good, but I don't think I could do that with the fried one every single day. But it was surprisingly delicious. It had a good crunch on the outside. But today, here we go. So today we're gonna take this bad boy, and this one's a small piece. This will be a small piece of a dino rib. And I'm using a small one because I just want to test this out. I don't want to waste a whole good piece on just a test deal. So we're gonna go ahead and fry this thing up. I'm gonna batter it. So what we've done is we've got some flour, and we added some pepper in there, some black pepper. We added some paprika and some kosher salt. That's really a basic mixture for a flour. And then I've got regular milk. So the way that we do it on anything else when we fry it is we put it in the milk, and then we put it in the flour, put it in the milk, and then we put it in the flour, and then we fry it. So that's what I'm gonna do today, and I'm gonna show you how we're gonna dip this thing right now. All right, so we have our beef rib right here. I'm gonna go ahead and show you how we're doing this. I mean, it's pretty simple. It's cut and dry, so or it's wet and dry. So I'm gonna go ahead and dip this in our milk. Let that drain off a little bit. And all this is a binder. I mean, you could almost not have to use any milk or liquid, but I like to use it because it binds it a little bit better. Dry that off. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put it in here. All right, that could probably be enough of a batter, but who likes just a little bit of batter? Let's go ahead and do it again. Drain that off. Doesn't that look delicious? It will. It'll look really good once we get this thing fried up.
We're bringing the Texas State Fair to Sideways with this one right here.
Exactly. Exactly. So we're gonna go ahead and fry this up. So let's go back into the fryer and see what this thing does. All right, guys. So here we go. I'm gonna go ahead and we're gonna dunk this thing in real quick, and I'm gonna give this. It'll probably be about 10 minutes in the fryer, but I'm gonna check it after about 8 minutes. We need to make sure that we get it all the way through. It'll probably be about 130 is what I'll take the meat temperature to, and go from there. So remember, this was already cooked. We put it back in the walk-in fridge last night, and then we just pulled it back out. It's still cold. Go ahead and drop her in. All right, folks, there she is. Just pulled it out. Actually, I thought it was gonna be 10 minutes, but This was only in for about 7 minutes, 6 to 7 minutes. I think it was 6 minutes. And then I pulled it. That's a perfect golden brown. I temped it. I really wanted to get it to about 135, but I got it to, some parts were 140, some parts were 150. So may have overdone it a little bit, but I thought it was gonna be a lot longer. And but we're gonna get to go try this thing. There we go. All right, so here we go. It's the moment of truth. So now we get to try this battered beef rib, and we fried it up. So like I said, I thought it was gonna take about 10 minutes, but it was about 7 minutes. So here we go. This is what it looks like right here. Fried that thing up. See that? So I'm gonna cut it open. I'm just gonna cut it open instead of just diving in. This thing's extremely hot right now. So we'll cut it open and look inside. All right, I cut this open, and just so you can see, some of the batter kind of started flaking off, but I mean, you can see that it's still super, super, super tender.
Crazy tender.
So I'm gonna go ahead, Jeff and I are gonna take a bite of this. There's no telling what this is gonna taste like. So it looks good already. I mean, you can see it's juicy. So now we get to try a bite. So here we go.
Cheers, brother.
Cheers.
I'm gonna take another bite.
Wow, folks.
That's not too much batter. That is some good stuff.
Wow. My goodness. Nobody's figured this out.
That's insane.
This is unbelievable, folks. Look at this. It's still just so fall aparty. Look at that. It just. I'm telling you. Look at the batter. Look at the batter on here. What is going on? Folks, this is like butter. Look at, it's like butter. Did you see how easy that pulls off? And that batter, folks, this I do like more than our regular beef rib. I do. I like it more. I like it a lot more. My goodness. My goodness. All right, I'm gonna go to Hogtown on. Actually, I'm gonna go to Cowtown on this rib.
Cutting another piece, so
It is so good, folks. When I tell you, I mean, I know you've seen a lot of our videos and you see the bite, but this was unbelievable. I'm talking unbelievable. This I could eat all the time. That's a true reaction. That's a true. You got to try this out, folks. So anyways, I appreciate y'all. If y'all like more videos and want to see more videos like this, first off, hit the like button down there. Smash that thing. Help us get more videos out like this. It supports us. Share the video around. But at the same time, subscribe and hit that bell icon on our YouTube channel. And then go to our Facebook page and like our page. Follow us on there too. We do a lot of videos on there. But we have daily specials and how-to videos all the time. So stuff like this, live music. We have live music. We have live music every Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, and we have karaoke on Wednesdays. But anyway, come check us out. Follow us around, and we love you guys. So I'm gonna knock this rib out. See ya.